Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to play Android games in your MacBook. So if you want to play Android games in your MacBook, you have to follow the steps which I am going to show you in this video. So what you have to do, first you have to open the Google Chrome. Okay, open the Google Chrome and here you have to search for BlueStacks, and now you will go to this website bluestack.com/mac, and here you will see BlueStack Air built for Apple Silicon Mac. Okay, now you have to just download this BlueStack. Okay, now just click on download BlueStack. Beta is live. Okay, now just click on download BlueStack. Okay, so when you click on this download BlueStack, here you will see BlueStack installer. Okay, now you have to save it, and here you will see the file size, and here you have to first install this and then install. Okay, now here you will see the file size is 952 MB, so it will take few seconds or few minutes. Okay, so after downloading it, what you have to do, so I'm going to just wait for few seconds. Okay, it will be downloaded, and here now you will see that it has been downloaded. Now what you have to do, just open it, and here you have to click on continue and just click on install, and here I have to enter the login password, okay, for my Mac which I have created. Okay, like this. Now what you have to do, wait for few seconds. Installation is underway. Okay, now it will take only 30 seconds to install in the MacBook. Okay, now you will see that installation was successfully. Close and move to win install it. Okay, now you have to open, go to launched, and here you will stick. Now just you have to open it. So when you open it, it will play few videos and other things. Okay, yeah, you have to just allow it, and you will see like this few videos and will be played. Okay, like this, and you can play any game, whichever game you want to play. Android game in your MacBook you can play. Okay, then, and but just you have to just log in your Google account, and you can download any game whichever you want to play in your Android. Okay, in your Mac. So like this you can play games. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.